PixVerse 5.5 is now integrated directly inside Pictory AI Studio, bringing powerful new capabilities to creators. With PixVerse 5.5 powering generation inside AI Studio, you can now create complete AI videos inside Pictory. Together, they make AI video creation possible inside a single creative workflow. Ready to experience the AI video revolution? Start by opening Pictory AI Studio. Next, write a detailed prompt for your video. For example, create a prompt like, a cinematic office scene with a founder presenting a product, soft window light, subtle camera push-in, natural room ambience, confident voice dialogue explaining the product. 16.9. Then generate your visual using PixVerse 5.5 and insert the clip into your project. Now, enhance your video with Pictory's editing tools. Add an AI voiceover, music, or apply text and animations for added impact. Utilize brand kits to ensure your video maintains visual consistency, or apply one of the new Pictory color palettes. PixVerse 5.5 revolutionizes AI video creation by generating cinematic foundations. Meanwhile, Pictory offers the tools for editing, branding, and exporting. Together, they provide a complete end-to-end workflow. Experience the seamless integration of PixVerse 5.5 in Pictory AI Studio today.